Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. Do you want to see the friend list or private friends of a friend on your Facebook? If yes, then watch this video till the very end. I'll tell you if it's possible or not. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So if you want to see a friend list of our friends on your Facebook, so here I'll go for search and search for a friends account, and here I couldn't find their friend list because they might have kept the private setting. If it's so, then it's not possible to see their private friends on Facebook. And here I'll go for another account. And here they haven't kept any privacy for their friend list. So I'm able to see their friend list. So simply tap on see all friends and their mutual and all friends will be shown to you. So here we are done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.